Welcome to EKA Global's India factory located in Western India. This facility is strategically located 200 kilometers southeast of largest Indian port of Navi Mumbai and 70 kilometers south of Pune to serve domestic and international customers. Situated near the picturesque Western Mountain Range, this 80,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility is built on a 5-acre land and has provision to expand for future growth. The modern factory is designed and built keeping in mind sustainability, safety, hygiene, global compliances and efficient workflow. The factory has designated spaces for raw material storage, sheet extrusion, temperature-controlled and clean thermoforming area for sensitive products, and large warehousing area for finished goods. With its global experience of over 40 years in barrier technology and drive for innovation, our team is ready to serve you to grow your business.